All right, in this video, we are going to create an interface between ElevenLabs and our n8n workflow so that we can execute multiple different commands through just one tool. And it's a generic tool that can create, update, delete, and modify the calendar entries in our n8n workflow. So we already have this kind of an interface where we can send a query and a session ID. And I would like to utilize that as a new tool on ElevenLabs. So I will create a new tool, call it calendar tool. And the description of this could be something like, use this tool in order to create, update, and delete calendar entries for booking appointments. So it should be as descriptive as possible because this will be used by an LLM inside ElevenLabs in order to find out which tool calling should happen at what point in time. And then the URL for this would be exactly the same URL that we have from our workflow. So I'm going to get that one. The type or the method is post. Now we're going to give some description about the body parameters here so that the LLM knows what to extract or how to extract this information. From the current conversation transcription that you have, extract the following two columns for this tool calling. So one would be the actual query of the user. It's a required, and this is the desired intention of the user with the calendar. It could be creating a new calendar entry or updating an existing calendar entry or deleting one. Maybe changing. Just so that we are super descriptive and clear about that intent. And then as we need a session ID, we're going to leave a session ID here. So we have a section called dynamic variables here. Variables and tool parameters will be replaced with actual values when the conversation starts. So we don't have like that little button here to add it. Therefore, let's leave a placeholder here, and just so that we can save it, we can go back to the agent. We're going to add this to Samantha, but we have seen these custom variables here before, system variable and so on. So if I go here and then add a variable, you can see that this section is all the system variables, and these are the custom variables that we have created before. And then the system underscore conversation ID is the one that we look. So therefore, I'm going to just copy it from here. Then go back to tools, to the calendar tool, the one that I have just recently created. Not sure which one was it. Let's pick the last one, probably this one. Yep, this one. The session ID, ABC. I'm going to paste this here. Like literally giving it like this should also do the job, but my intention is to give the LLM the chance to understand the context, and then the LLM can define what to do here. Please use the session ID of the current conversation for this field, which is, and then the system ID. So we're going to save this. And since I have another one, I'm going to delete that one so that I don't, okay, it's attached to another one. So we're going to just remember this tool ID that is with XA2 when we associate it with Samantha, so we associate the right custom tool. So here we're going to go to custom tools. And then we have two. We're going to pick this one. Hopefully this was the correct one, but in order to be extra sure that this is the exact one, I'm going to just go and change this to tool 2 to make sure that we pick the right one for Samantha and do the testing properly. So now we have custom tool. This is the one that we want to test. And when we are going to talk to Samantha, I need to make sure that the workflow is running properly. So I'm going to talk.
Hey, John Doe. I'm Samantha, Amal's AI agent. Do you have a minute to talk?
Yes. Can you please book me an appointment for 21st of July about a lunch meeting with Amal at 1 p.m. It should be, the discussion points should be about n8n workshops, AI automation workshops.
Okay, John, I can help you with that. Just to confirm, you want to book a lunch meeting with Amal Sayer on July 21st at 1 p.m. to discuss n8n workshops and AI automation workshops, correct?
Yes, that's correct. Please go ahead.
Great. The meeting has been scheduled. Is there anything else I can help you with today, John?
Yes. Can you please now change the title to AI Automation Agency Planning? Wait a minute. Now try it again.
Okay, I can help with that. To confirm, you want to change the title of the meeting on July 21st at 1 p.m. with Amal Sayer to AI Automation Agency Planning?
That's right.
Perfect. I've updated the meeting title to AI Automation Agency Planning. Anything else I can assist you with?
Can you move it to 3 p.m.?
Sure, I can help with that. So you want to move the AI Automation Agency Planning meeting with Amal Sayer on July 21st from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m.? Is that
Yes.
correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. I've moved the meeting to 3 p.m. on July 21st. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Can you please delete it now?
Okay. I can delete the AI Automation Agency Planning meeting with Amal Sayer on July 21st at 3 p.m. for you. Is that correct?
Yes, please go ahead.
All right, the meeting has been deleted. Is there any?
All right, so that is what we want to do to show you how to create, update, and delete calendar entries. In the next video, we're gonna curate this 100% for appointment booking for my cohorts so that people cannot see or delete my calendar entries, but they can, if they are qualified, then they can actually book an appointment, a discovery call with me. So see you in the next video.